beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. This just landed on my doorstep, so here I am to share it with you. This must be for April, and that's kind of pretty, right? Some pretty flowers, and oh boy, all right, right on the top is a palette. Right? And for me, this is always the $64,000 question. Did they take my request seriously and only send me stuff that is kind of neutral-ish, brownish, or did they send me something that's gonna make me roll my eyes? This is from KAB Cosmetics. Never heard of it. Number one ingredients are talc and mica, so not, I guess, the highest quality stuff. This is called Day and Night. And let's see. Oh, all right. That actually looks like a pretty palette. There's some gorgeous terracottas and oranges in here. I am curious about these purples over here, and definitely neutrals. All right. I am actually looking forward to trying this palette, and I will happily do a video on it for you. Let's see what it says about that. KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. A new formula and sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades, okay? MSRP $52, so I will say that's fun to have. Here is a bottle from Drybar, Hot Toddy. This is, oh, heat protectant mist. Good. I'm kind of hit or miss with stuff from Drybar, but I am on the hunt for a really good heat protecting spray. Today I used Orbe, which was hella expensive, and I don't know that it's really doing all that in a bag of chips for me, so I am anxious to try that out. And that says the MSRP is $27 on that, and it's good up to 450 degrees F. So that should take care of me. Here we have First Aid Beauty. This is Coconut Skin Soothe Priming Moisturizer. I have I think I have a travel size of this that I got in some other, probably, you know, Birchbox or Ipsy or something. So it has been a long time since I tried that. I will look forward to try that again. And just to be consistent here, MSRP on that is $30. And two more things. Oh, from Tarte, Shape Tape Glow Wand. All right, I guess they really are just extending. That's Murphy knocking down his gate downstairs, or upstairs. He'll be down here in just a moment, I suspect. It's a glow wand in a shade called Aglow. Before I open that, I'm just gonna read and see what it says about that. Instant Eye Lift in a Tube. Sheer liquid brightener lets your skin come through to deliver a natural, lit from within, youthful glow. Oh, Milo. Okay, that's different. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish. Includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. What the heck is this? Is this a highlighter? I mean, when it says glow wand, I think highlighter, but they're 4 ways to glow, over Shape Tape concealer, alone for no makeup magic, mixed with moisturizer primer or on high points of the face, collarbones, and décolletage. It seems to me that they're going after the Charlotte Tilbury product, the Film Star Glow something or other that you could mix with your foundation. You could use it as a highlighter. It slices, it dices, and so much more. Okay, probably not getting a ton of use out of that. MSRP on that, $27. Maybe that should go in the giveaway box. And last but not least, something Tint. I've never heard of that brand before. There it goes. Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. Okay, Tint Beauty. It says it's firm yet creamy. MSRP of $18 on this. Let's see what it looks like. You know, I am partial to my Marc Jacobs. I use those almost exclusively now. But, ooh. All right. To me, that looks green. Let's find, oh, no. I mean, it's a green gray. That's a really weird color. Like, I'm sorry, when I look at it, all I think is that's the color of pollution. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I'm excited. Clearly, I'm not excited about that. But there you go. That was Boxycharm, my Boxycharm for the month, must be the month of May. Because I don't see anything else on that, which must mean that June will be the luxe. I finally figured that out. So there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me. YouTube me, and have a great day.